How's it guys? So a little something different today. Hopefully we can show some sort of action. But that down there is the Holsloot River. No names in that. But anyways, have a look at these views. Beautiful. That's the little river down there which we'll
So guys, it's about 6:15 in the morning now. I'm meeting up with a mate that's camping here. I know they had a bit of wine, they got stuck into the wine last night, so let's see. Here I am waking them up.
Hey, hey, what's going on here? Oh, sorry, I can't hear anything. Yeah, check it's fuzzy. The kettle boiling, breakfast made. Yo, I see the rods are sorted. Check here. But these look like 12 foot. These look like 12-foot rods. Hello?
Yes.
How's it? Wakey peeps. Brothers in the house. Yeah, this like must have slept cuck. Oh, what do we have here? What do we have here? What? Good morning. Yeah,
Dis lekker
shit.
hier balsek. Ja, on the video. That's me my fishing punt there.
How's it? Shortest route. Michael, what are you doing in the trees? What do you think that guy's doing in the trees over there? Okay, let's see. We can try and navigate this. Huh? Oh, the dents. Oh, the dents. That's the only sign of bugs I can see is a little black bug. So I'm going to try and match that now. See what happens. There we go, peeps. Oh, up there. Whoa. Down. Look at that. Nice. Boom. Quick release. Oh, these things are feisty. Here they fall.